Welcome back to the channel. For all you fake heads out there fiending for the next pre-order to drop, whatever you do not do what this dude's doing.
Bro, what are you doing?
Don't even trip, your boy got you. You know what time it is. You know who you tuned in with. This is Shiesty James, the Unboxer Con, your friendly neighborhood homie. And yes, I got another repaint for you. This one is Hulk and Wolverine. And without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Yo, instruments of life. It's a zone. My pen and pad are like an instrument of life. My mind is like a bag because it carries through the strife. My mic is like a light because it brightens up the night. And my organ's like an orchestra, the symphony is tight. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
And there you have it, the Hulk custom repaint, equipped with battle damage scratches. And the next one up on the roster is the old school Wolverine custom repaint. And by old school, I mean the old school look, the one from this comic book cover. Now with this particular Wolverine figure, I was watching other videos from other creators and other collectors. And I guess, bro, that a lot of the collectors don't like this figure. They don't like the head sculpt. They think he has a stupid looking face. I guess he has one of those faces only a mother could love. All jokes aside, though, I really like this figure. I think he's cool. Even if I didn't have the custom repaint on it, I was going to get him anyways, to be honest with you. I don't have a side-by-side comparison for the heads to show you the difference, but I took pictures for you guys of the new custom repainted head. Yeah, I got as close as I could for you guys without the stupid camera blurring on me. But yeah, that's the custom repainted Wolverine with a custom repainted head and face. If you guys like them, hey, you know where to get them at. I shared the creator's name, where he's from, where you can find him at. It's all on my last video, man. Go ahead and check them out. And like always, God bless. This is Shiesty James, the Unboxer Con, signing out. Thank you for watching Pile of Figs. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to try to have a video for you guys every week. Hit me up late.
Hulk smash, little man! Little man, leave Hulk alone! Now I gotta